Hello everyone, my name is Larissa Hearn and I'm the event coordinator with Rocky Mountain Sewing and Vacuum. We have an event coming out that we've never done before. It's going to be an event on the Q Series Bernina machines. So if you're familiar with the Q24, which is a Bernina long arm, we're going to be talking about those. I'm very excited. So this event is going to be a lecture demo style event. So all you have to do is come by, sit, hang out, and look pretty. So there are 4 different options of times for you to join us. You can come on either June 17th or June 18th, and there's going to be 2 sessions per day. So you can choose to come at 10 to 2 on the 17th or 3 to 7, and it'll be the exact same thing on the 18th. So we'd love to see you there. We're going to talk all about long arm quilting, even a little bit about sit down quilting, and it's going to be all about the Bernina Q Series. It's going to be very, very fun. This is a lecture demo style event again, so we will have some snacks, but there will not be any lunch provided. If you are wondering if long arming is for you or if a Bernina is for you, this is the time to come and hang out with us. So the event is called No Small Thing, and you can sign up for it on our website or you can call one of our stores. Oh, and it's $49.99. Thank you. Love to see you there.